Gentlemen, you're more than invited to stay and hang out. But ladies, we're gonna take some time for ourselves here.
Give me all your love, baby, give me.
Hey, I'm Finn, this is Pepper, and my husband Tim and I, we make travel videos here on YouTube. I'm going to attempt to bleach my hair by myself today, but I just figured that would be interesting to share here on our channel because we're always traveling and we're always on the road, and I'm always like the new person in the salon. Apart from just being at international salons and having, you know, language issues or something, I'm never happy with the result. I would really appreciate if you thumbs up or thumbs down this video and just let us know if this is like a weird direction. This doesn't mean that we're not doing travel videos or anything. This is just kind of supplementary to do a little bit behind the scenes, I guess. First things first, we're here in La Ciudad de Mexico after our trip to Asia. Right now, we're editing all of the tripped videos. Fortunately for me, there is a Sally Hansen beauty supply literally across the street. Like I can almost see it. And yesterday I did a quick little run, but of course I forgot something. So let's just, careful Pepper. Don't worry, I didn't hit her.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you and I just can't.
5 days ago, I went to the salon here in Mexico City, in Polanco. The girl was great, but I don't know, there's always just like a communication error, and I don't mean the language, porque hablo español, but I just mean like in the States, no matter where, I don't really end up with what I'm looking for. So she chopped quite a bit off, which is what I wanted, if you have noticed, and I'm excited, but kind of the whole point of going short for me was to also have kind of a bold color choice, and this looks very natural, which I liked with the longer hair, but it's just kind of like the balayage, and I don't love it on me with the short hair right now. When they balayage and paint it in, if they're painting up, not all of the hair is completely saturated in the bleach, and I feel like it doesn't pull all of the way, and then it just turns orange. Even though I went in with this picture, I just feel like it's kind of like a bright blonde with a shadow root. I just want to get better at doing my own hair so that I can just always do my hair. I guess that's kind of the point. I have attempted this before, and it's probably just worth showing you me a couple years ago when I documented this all on Snapchat. Let's all relive that journey really quick. So the end result isn't terrible. I don't look like non-human or something, but like all my friends made fun of me, Tim was making fun of me. The whole journey to get there was over several stressful days. I'm hoping that I just kind of go in there, I kind of just put it all on, and then I tone it and we're good to go. But I don't know if that's naive of me, which is why we are documenting this on camera, because it might be really entertaining. Okay, we're in an inside out sports bra and some inside out boho pants. All right, this is what we got here. I mean, it's like my natural color, which is like a 7N. We've got this line of orange, which is from the, I don't really know how it happened. Somehow when I was going darker at the Sayulita salon that happened, and then I've got like the light. But so anyways, it was worse, and I wanted to break it up, which is why I went to the salon, and I just feel like, come on. Oh, and then when you're balayage like that and you put your hair up darker here, and then you just have this random ponytail or bun or something. It's just two different colors. So I just want all of my hair to be a color, whatever it is. I honestly, at this point, don't even really care. I've certainly watched a lot of YouTube tutorials, and all these girls are always like putting a disclaimer like, I'm not a stylist, I'm not a, like, you know, whatever. Like, my disclaimers, this is a travel YouTube channel, okay? This is literally just, I went to a salon in Mexico City and I'm gonna now try it myself. So I will tell you what I'm doing, and if it turns out terrible, don't do that. And if it turns out fine, then you can follow the steps. whatever. Why am I using this? I don't know. Because I'm in Mexico, this is like what they had. I recognize this brand. Also, I'm in an Airbnb, so I'm not using any of their towels or anything. I don't want to mess anything up. Okay, it smells like hair stuff. So up at the top, I am painting vertically. Necessarily want my roots to be super blonde. Now I'm like a little worried because I'm remembering all these girls who like get in the shower and then they come out and it's just like orange and they're like, this is part of the process, but like, I don't know what I'm gonna do if that happens. Please don't suck, please don't suck, please don't suck. Ugh. Okay. Okay, no one panic. Okay. Wow, okay, it kind of looks worse in the camera. That looks very orange. Busy! Okay, this chick online, she just kind of like went in and just like hand painted some of the like orangey stuff. So I'm gonna do that with my leftover because like why wouldn't I? This is ridiculous, I can't see anything. All right, I mean, I don't think that's gonna make it perfect, but I think that'll make it better. Potter. Scared Potter. I'm back. I read the instructions for the toner and you're supposed to put it on dry hair, which I remember in the past putting it on wet hair in the shower, so maybe this is just different, I don't know. No, Tim's coming in. Wait. What, don't look.
I'm not fine.
I just have one more, because you're gonna freak out.
Yeah, we're leaving.
Oh, where are you going?
So.
I will meet you in 45 minutes in front of the Archaeology Museum. Well, okay. This is it. This is the end. No matter if you fast forwarded all the way to this point or you stuck it out with me, here we are. Is it right? Do I like it? All those questions yet to be answered here. Because there's definitely some orange pieces, there's definitely some yellowish tones still, and then there's also some overtoned, like too white of pieces, but kind of like from far away, I think it's fine. I like it as mediocrely as I like going to the salon. I'm just really glad I took the risk and did it. And I think I'm gonna tone again in a couple days just because it is a little yellow in person. If this gave you encouragement to do it yourself, then great. Because I guess that ties in with the theme of the rest of our channel of just like inspiring you to get out there and travel. So hopefully this inspires you to get out to Sally's and attempt something yourself, because what's the worst that can happen, really? And if you want to see more videos like this, you can't, because this is the first beauty video I've ever done. But if this is skewing in a direction that you'd like to see, give it a thumbs up. If this is like, what is this? Give it a thumbs down, and I will know that this is not the route we should take. But not to override any of the travel stuff, only just to help give a little bit more behind the scenes, all right? I probably could put on some self tanner. Okay, bye.